morning, dear ones. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. And I am sure that you are waiting for your new lesson to study. By this video, you are going to study the chapter 1. Watch the video thoroughly. Write down the notes, definitions, question answers, formulas, etc. in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Okay? Let us go to the video. If anyone asks us to count numbers, what we used to count? We count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. If we wanted to count more than 9, what we used to count 10, 11, 12, etc. If anyone asked to write the numbers, what we used to write 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If we are writing 2-digit numbers 10, 11, 12, etc. or any digits, 3-digit means 100, 101, 102, etc. Such a way we are counting. So when we are the counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. So if we are counting 10, there exists a new number 0, new digit 0 there. So in natural numbers, that 0 is not included. That's why we are introducing one more number system is called whole numbers. So whole numbers are starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then if you wanted to write any number, any digit, big numbers or small numbers, we are using these digits, means 0 to 9 to write any big numbers. So again, if you are discussing about anything negative numbers or any lows, in such situations, what we used to do, we used to write negative numbers if temperature goes down or share market is going down or any type of loss, or if we give some amount to any other person, that time we are writing negative numbers. Such numbers are called integers. It means integers is starting from infinity, minus infinity to infinity. So it means, and there is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Like our number lines, it is starting from negative. Such numbers are called integers. The next one, rational numbers. Any numbers can represent in the form of P by Q and the denominator Q not equal to 0. Such type of numbers are called rational numbers. Therefore, we can conclude that all natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers and all integers are rational numbers. And all natural numbers are in whole numbers and all whole numbers are in integers and all integers are in rational numbers. Therefore, the biggest group is rational number and the smallest group is natural numbers. Rational number. A number which can express in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Let us revise. The identity number of addition is 0. That is, a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. Then the additive inverse of negative is positive and additive inverse of positive is negative. That is, the additive inverse of minus a is plus a and additive inverse of plus a is minus a. The identity number of multiplication is 1. That is, a into 1 equal to 1 into a equal to a. Multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a and the multiplicative inverse of 1 by a is a. That is, the multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. We know that this is a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. This is a number line. So for example, this 2 and 3 are rational numbers. 2 means 2 by 1, 3, 3 by 1. So these two are rational numbers. So we are going to find out numbers between these 2 and 3. Rational numbers. We know many numbers are lying in between 2 and 3 on this number line. So we are going to find the numbers between 2 and 3. So rational numbers between 2 and 3. Anything we wanted to find out in between two numbers or anything, we have to add and divide it by 2. That is the process we have to do. Means we have to add 2 and 3, then divide it by 2. That is 2 plus 3 by 2. We know 2 plus 3 means 5. 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 or 2 1 by 2 is a rational number lying in between this 2 and 3. So the answer is 2, 5 by 2, 3. Means the number lies in between 2 and 3 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2 and a half. This one will lie here in the middle. Exact middle of 2 and 3 on the number line. Now we are going to find out 3 more numbers between 2 and 3. It means we have got a number 5 by 2 in between 2 and 3. If you are going to find out one more number from in between 2 and 3, we have to find out the number between 2 and 5 by 2. That is, we have to add it. Therefore, the second number, this is the first set. Now second set 2 plus 5 by 2 divided by 2. It is a fraction, so we can write 1 by 2. This is fraction 2 by 1. Now we have to apply the properties of fraction. That is 1 by 2 into, we have to do the cross multiplication, 4 plus 5 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. That is equal to 9 by 4. Therefore, the second set, what we are getting here, smaller number 2, next number 9 by 4, next number 5 by 2, next number 3. First set of answer 2, 5 by 2, 3. The second set of answer 2, 9 by 4, 5 by 2 and 3. Now if we wanted to find, see 2 and 3 are at both the end. 9 by 4 and 5 by 2 is coming in the middle. Now if we wanted to find out more numbers in between 2 and 3, many method. We can find out numbers between 2 and 9 by 4 or 9 by 4 and 5 by 2 or 5 by 2 and 3. Now we are going to find the numbers in between 5 by 2 and 3. That is in between numbers between 5 by 2 and 3. That means 3 means 3 by 1. What we have to do? We have to divide it by 2. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 1 means add and divide by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, it is a fraction. So how we add? Have to do the cross multiplication. 5 plus 5 into 1, 5 plus 2 into 3, 6 by 2 into 1, 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 by 2. That is equal to 11 by 4. For the third set, the first one 2, next one 9 by 4, next one 5 by 2, next one 11 by 4, next one, the last number is 3. Now we found three rational numbers between 2 and 3, 9 by 4, 5 by 2, 11 by 4 and 3. Similarly, we can find out any numbers between the given rational numbers. We can check one more example, finding the numbers in between two given rational numbers. That is 1 by 5 a rational number and 1 by 2 another rational number. We are going to find the numbers, three numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So first one, the first set. We know how to do. Find the sum and divide it by 2. Divided by 2 means 1 by 2 into 5. Finding the sum 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means dividing it by 2. That is the meaning of 1 by 2. How to do it is a fraction with a different denominator. So how to do the cross multiplication? 1 into 2, 2 plus 5 into 1, 5 divided by 5 2s are 10. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 plus 5, 7 by 10. That is equal to 7 by 20. Therefore, the first set of the answer, first number 1 by 5, comma 7 by 20, comma 1 by 2. Now we are going to find one rational number between 1 by 5 and 7 by 20. So what we have to do, we have to find out the sum and divide it by 2. Dividing by 2 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus 7 by 20. That means 1 by 5 into, either we have to find out the LCM or have to do the cross multiplication. We can do anyway. While doing the cross multiplication, 1 into 20, 20 plus 7 to 5, 35 by 5 into 20, 100. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 55 by 100. We can cancel 55 and 100 using 5. So 11 by 20. Therefore the answer is 1 into 11, 11 by 40. Therefore the next set, the second set of numbers are 1 by 5, comma 11 by 40, comma 7 by 20, comma 1 by 2. Now we are going to find the third set. Third set means we have to find two numbers between first two numbers or second two numbers or third two numbers. Anything we can take. Here we can take these two. Now anything, or either first two or second two or third two. So now we are going to take the second two numbers. That is finding the number between these two numbers. That is add and divide it by 2. That means 1 by 2 into 11 by 40 plus 7 by 20. Here 40 and 20, how to take the LCM? That is simple, I think. The LCM of 40 and 20 is 40. Therefore, here 11 into 1 by 40 plus 7 into 2 by 20 into 2. Make the denominator same. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 by 40 plus 14 by 40. That equal to 1 by 2 into 11 plus 14, 25 by 40. Cancel 25 and 5, 5 and 8. Therefore, this is answer is 5 by 16. The third set of answers. 1 by 5, first one, 11 by 40. Then we found in between 11 by 40 and 7 by 20. That is 5 by 16. Comma, next number is 7 by 20, comma 1 by 2. These are the answers. Now we found three numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. 11 by 40, 5 by 16, 7 by 20.